Hi and welcome back for a new log on the Bluetooth Nerf turret. Now, last time we talked about applications, and today we're going to do the same. But this time we're going to focus on the application that will be run from a computer to control the turret. So here is the application. So as you can see, it's pretty similar. You get like a Bluetooth connection button, motors on and off, and a direction pad to control the direction of the turret. Alright, so to use it, it's quite easy. We need to connect the device first. So here we have a COM port. You need to find out where your HC05 module is connected. So here you can see that we have a serial Bluetooth link. So it's going to be one of them. So either COM 8 or 9. I'm not too sure why it comes up twice. I must have another device connected somewhere. So I will write COM 8 and then connect. And hopefully everything is going to work. Alright, it's crashing. No, it's fine. Right, so as you can see, whenever my mouse is on the pad, I can control the direction here, left and right, and up and down. And now if we turn the motors on, we can also shoot whenever we click. So if I click once, I shoot one dart, and if I keep holding the button, I will just basically shoot as a machine gun. And of course you can shoot while moving direction. So yeah, that's it basically. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.